my skincare, guys. So I'm using my favorite yogurt skin products. This is the pore minimizing tonic. Honestly, ever since I started working with them and I discovered their products, I've not looked back. That's so good. But yeah, so guys, so like I said, we're going to Meadowhall today to do a spot of Eid shopping, like spending our Eid money basically. And I am really looking for a bomb blazer. Like I want a really nice quality blazer, like, you know, a premium one. And there was one that I actually found on Zara's website like a few weeks back, maybe like last month. No, actually it was this month. But I kind of knew that I wanted a size up because, you know me, like I prefer to have a blazer that's a little bit more oversized so there's room underneath for other things. But I thought, let me buy it because sometimes like blazers are already oversized anyway. So I bought it, and it was, this is what I'm using, by the way. It's this, the best product ever, if you can see it. But yeah, so I bought it, it came, and honestly, like, it fit how I thought. You know, it fits absolutely fine. Am I in focus? There we go. It fit absolutely fine, but I knew that I would have preferred it in a large. Now, had it not had some random like marks on it, then I would have kept it. But I thought, I'm not spending $69.99 only to buy something that is imperfect and the size isn't exactly what I want anyway. So yeah, so I returned it, and so I don't know if this is focusing, by the way, but yeah, this is the SPF antioxidant day cream. So I love this because it's moisturizing first of all, but I love that it's a SPF and a moisturizer in one. So good. To show you something really cool that I have recently got. Let me get it all out. So basically, I was on Instagram one time and I was just going through stories, and then I came across Humira SB's story, she's a Nigerian YouTuber or blogger, and yeah, basically it's this nifty tool here. So she kind of was holding it, and then people obviously asked her what it was, and then she said that it was a rechargeable incense burner, terrarum witter thing. And I'm addicted to anything that is like terrarum witter, incense. Love that stuff. So I was so quick to find it and buy it, and I'll leave a link down below to where you can buy it from. So yeah, you get the burner, which you can recharge it, like I said, and you put the incense in here. Let me try and show you without making a mess. So you put the incense in that little bit there. And the really cool thing about this one is that you can put this attachment on it, and then you put this comb attachment in here like that, and then you turn it on, burn the incense, and then you can just comb it through your hair, and then like your hair will smell really nice. How clever is that? And yeah, like I said, it's rechargeable, so it comes with a charger, it comes with a little thing to clean out the incense, and it comes with a tweezer, and it's presented in this really nice bag, and the box that it comes in is so well presented as well. It's upstairs, but yeah, it's so nice, and I think this would make such a great Eid gift, like hint hint, you know, if you need inspiration, stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, I absolutely love it. It's great. We finally made it. Okay, let's go. Time to go shopping. Oh my god, the queue to go into Meadowhall is literally... You have to go niece. What the heck? There's a queue to get into everything. What? Hi guys, so I actually haven't picked up the camera since yesterday, so I do apologize, but yeah, so the last time I filmed was when I was in Meadowhall, and honestly I only managed to find two items of clothing that I wanted. One of them I'm going to return anyway because when I tried it on I didn't like it on. But yeah, there's just not any like good shops left and stuff. I just find the shops don't have anything good in these days. Maybe that's just me, but yeah, I look a hot mess, I don't watch that. I've been doing my hair for the last 3 hours, so I'm about to go in for the last step to wash out the deep conditioner, and I've got conditioner all over this top, so ignore that. But yeah, so before I jump into the shower, I just thought, let me show you my room. Let me do a little mini room tour, because when I did my renovation video, I hadn't completed the room. There was something missing, or there was a few things missing, and now the room is complete. So let me show you how it looks currently. Exclusive. Okay, so when you walk into my room, this is kind of what you see. So I'll start here. So I've got the mirror. So if you watched the room renovation video, you will remember that this was all white. The wardrobe door was white, and it's now not white, it was brown, it was wood. So now it's been painted white, and I love it. Honestly, I love my room so much. And then this here is my IKEA Malm drawer. It's the most useful thing ever because it fits so much stuff in it, because I need all the room I can get. And then I've got my little, then I have this little thing here, this little tray where I put all my perfumes. If you ever want me to do like a perfume, and if you ever want me to do like a video for like my favorite perfumes or whatever, then let me know, because I have a lot. This is just some of them. But yeah, and then my mirror, and then this is something that you wouldn't have seen if you've watched the renovation video, because this was done after. So this gallery wall, I absolutely love it. I'm so proud of myself that I did it myself. I say myself, I did it with the help of my brother and my mum. But yeah, how good does that look? So just above my bed, and also I put them up using command strips. Command strips are literally, they've become our best friend. Like, it is so good because you don't have to hammer or anything, no drilling. You literally just stick them on, and then if you ever want to take it down, you take it down and it leaves no marks. So if you don't use command strips, honestly, they're so good. I recommend them. And then there's my bed sheet. And then there's my bed. And then also, if you remember from the renovation video, I said that I felt like, oh, it's a bit wonky, let me fix that. That's literally how I do it. And then yeah, if you remember from the renovation video, I said that I felt like there was something missing right here, and it was indeed a rug, and I just feel like it really finishes the room off beautifully. It was so bare before. And then there's my window, and then my IKEA shelves, my plants on top there, and then and then to the side of that is my laundry basket, which is literally overflowing, so I'm not going to show you that. But yeah, that is the mini room tour. Okay guys, so I am finally done with my hair. It's literally taken so long that my mom's had to start helping me with the mango salsa, because we're making some, she asked me to make some for our neighbours as well. So I'm going to go make the other portion, so I'm going to go make theirs now. And this is the current outfit. This is like my at-home outfit. My grandma got me this from Saudi Arabia, so I love it. It's so special. But yeah, it's so comfortable as well to wear around the house. Anyway, don't got time to talk. Let's go. I'm here, mother. Okay guys, so I was going to do this, but no, it's fine. Okay. But yeah, basically, like I said, I'll still leave the ingredients down in the comment section, in the description. But it's literally just dicing everything like tiny like this. And then you will add your salt, paprika and cumin, and then a squeeze of lemon, and it's literally that easy. So yeah, I'll show you the finished result once it's all done. Chicken's looking good.